Welcome to West Kelowna HVAC Questions. Today's question is a good one. It is, what's the lifespan of a gas fireplace? Well, a lot of time you don't think about that. You just get it put in, you assume it's going to last forever, but there are numbers on it. Most gas fireplaces last 10 to 15 years without requiring like a major maintenance being done. It also depends on the type you had installed. So which type of fireplace, some of them last longer than others. And then finally, and this is the case in virtually everything in life, the quality of the equipment that you bought. So if you bought the cheapest fireplace, you're probably looking at the shortest amount of time. It's hopeful that if you bought the best fireplace available, that you've got something that's going to be a part of your house for a very long time to come. And then all you have to do is keep up on the last and final component of that, which is your maintenance, your regular maintenance. So if you do regular maintenance, your fireplace will last longer. That's simple. And if you don't, it's going to wear out fast. So save your dollars. Get somebody in once a year at least to look at the equipment. I prefer twice a year, spring and winter, and make sure that it's nice and clean. So whether you bring somebody in to do that professionally or you look up how to do it yourself, just make sure that you take the steps and you're nice and careful. Okay, folks, have a great day. I hope that answers that question about gas fireplaces in West Kelowna, British Columbia. If you need any help, reach out to our team at Total Plumbing and Heating in West Kelowna.